Hello, everyone. I welcome you all in this amazing session of interaction with amazing people. And today we have with us Siddharth Garg, and he is a scorer, a topper in GATE examination, GATE 2022. He has scored AIR 197 and has been doing quite a lot of preparation for the past 2 years, as I have been told. So we'll talk to him about his preparation strategies, what the hurdles he exactly faced during his preparation times, and all of it will be given to you, and you might find some value in it. So please watch the video till the end. So first of all, a huge and heartfelt welcome to Siddharth. Welcome, Siddharth.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for having me, sir.
Okay. So the pleasure is all ours, Siddharth. And please do tell us, how did you know about GATE examination, and what was the point in your life when you decided that you have to go for the preparation of GATE examination?
So, since we all know that the lockdown started in 2022 March, and that was the time when I started looking for various career opportunities in mechanical engineering, and GATE came as the best option. After that, I consulted with my father, who himself is a government employee. So he told me about the various opportunities and various perks, etc., which are involved in the government sector. So that motivated me even more. And also, I am from a private engineering college, so I always wondered how a student who studied from IIT, how he would shape after he graduates from IIT. So that even boosted me to start preparing for GATE. So that was the time when I realized that I have to be serious for GATE.
Okay, so that's a pretty interesting thing that you mentioned. Many a times, see, when I teach students, they are having a huge doubt that, sir, we are from private engineering colleges, and is it possible for us to have a good score in GATE examination? Can we have good ranks and all? So, was there any point of time in your life when you were having such doubts for yourself?
So yes, I think every student who is from a private engineering college, I think there is a current way of thinking in India that student from private engineering college isn't as good enough as a student from an IIT. So yes, that remains in mind, but one also has to think that a lot of the toppers of GATE examination are not from IIT. So that becomes a motivation for us, and you should always have a positive mindset if you want to crack GATE. So thinking that a non-IITian cannot crack GATE, cannot top GATE, I think that is something that shouldn't come to a mind if you're preparing wholeheartedly for GATE. So this shouldn't be a hurdle in your process.
Exactly, exactly. I think self-belief is the key, because without it, you cannot even walk a few steps. So that's a good thing which you had. So let me ask you something about your academics. Like during your university exams, were you brilliant all the way through, or you were facing difficulty in those as well?
So I faced this difficulty in the first semester of my college since I'm a homesick person. So uh, the family, everything that bothered in my academics. After that, I believe that I'm not an average, but just a little above average student. I have been able to maintain a 9+ CGPA in my college, and that is what I would suggest to everyone watching
Great.
this. That because having a higher CGPA definitely opens a lot of opportunities for you in every arena, even after you top in GATE or crack GATE. For applying in various universities abroad, a good CGPA is highly beneficial. So I would say an average, above average, just above average student in my college.
That's a great thing. That's a great thing. So, Siddharth, also tell me, what were the difficulties which you were facing during your preparation? What was the exact thing which was pinching you all the way? Like at some point of time, something might have you might have found that it is not I am not able to overcome that. What was that exact thing, and how did you overcome it?
So surprisingly, it wasn't the underperformance of mine which bothered me a lot. I took it as an opportunity to do even better the next time. What bothered me personally is that, uh, fortunately or unfortunately, I most of my friends belong to computer science background, and at the time of their placement, when you have a lot of a big number that so and so has been placed with such a big package and so
Yeah.
has been placed. Like one of my friends, he has been placed in Amazon with 40 plus LPA. So that bothers you. That tells you that, and they are partying, they are having fun, and you are home at 2 a.m. in the night and you are studying. So that brings an even more pressure, that am I on the right track, have I made the right decision? So you just have to keep going, you just have to realize that what you did, why you did what you did. You just need to realize that. So that is what bothered me, the constant pressure of the highly successful friends that I have. That was what bothered me. The academics did not bother me highly.
Great. So, was there any revision plan, specialized revision plan of yours you were focusing on during your course of preparation?
Sir, I actually divided my week. I did not create a monthly plan or like many people did do. Did not create a monthly plan because that is not very static. You do not know what will happen. So I only created a
True.
weekly plan. In the weekdays, I would say that I only covered the new syllabus, and the weekends, I only gave tests to analyze my mistakes and the other reasons why we give tests, and the rest was for revision. So in the weekdays, I only did new syllabus and question practice, and the rest in the weekends I did revision wholeheartedly.
Okay. And this year's gate examination was good, like with respect to previous years, the questions were very good. So there were some sort of new questions also asked, which were not asked previously, whose pattern was entirely different. So in the examination hall, what was your mindset when you saw those questions, and how did you, you know, had how did you? I mean, I would like to say, how did you have faith in yourself that you can do those questions and you can tackle those problems as well?
So I think test series comes as a savior in that situation. If you've attempted a lot of tests in your preparation phase, then that won't be a problem for you, because tests are arranged in a manner that make you familiar with every environment, because GATE is not a predictable exam.
Hmm.
And that makes us familiar that even if the paper is not, even if 30% of the questions in the exam are not doable, then how do you have to manage the stress inside you, because that reduces your efficiency. And that is what happens with a lot of
Hmm.
students. A lot of knowledgeable students, just because of the pressure in the situation, cannot do as efficient as they would do in if it was a test in the test series. So that is where the test series plays an important role. That makes you familiar with every situation around you.
Good. So there's a lot of competition nowadays, and always you are, overwhelmed with the people surrounding you and the peer pressure which you are having, plus expectation from the parents. So sometimes it becomes quite a burden to you. So I would like to ask you, what was your stress buster? I mean, during the preparation times, always not you might be facing the notebook and not sitting around and
Right, sir.
jumbling with the formulae. So what was your stress buster? How did you overcome these things?
So I'm a vocalist. I'm a musician basically, by
Okay.
passion. So that is what came for me as a stress buster. I always sang when I felt stress. I always, and the other thing was that I talked to my father. He's my constant motivator in every situation. So these were the two things: singing and talking to my father. So these were the two things that took away stress from me.
I would really love to hear something from you, but we'll save that for the end. Only if you are comfortable. Uh,
Yeah, that's fine.
Great. So, okay. Siddharth, please tell me, what is the one advice you would like to give to your fellow, juniors as they are preparing, or the fellow colleagues who are preparing for GATE examination for the next year, 2023? What is that one advice which you would like to give?
Uh, so my advice would be, since I am from a private engineering college, this advice would be specifically for the students who are from a private engineering college. There is a sense of negative impact that starts to impend on a student who is from a private engineering college. There is a additional pressure on them. since they are again preparing for a competitive exam. So I just want to tell them that a lot of gate toppers are not from IIT, and this is not this shouldn't be a reason for you to take stress. You should constantly believe in yourself, and making mistakes, I think that increases your efficiency. You should always learn from them, and that shouldn't get us an emotion of self doubt in you. That just tells you that yes, you are trying. If you're making mistakes, that does not mean that you are less capable. That means that you're trying, and I think that is what matters. You should believe in yourself. You should move forward with total positivity till the end. A lot of people leave the preparation because they underperform in some tests or something. You should constantly believe in yourself, especially from a non-IITian, because there is an additional pressure on you. So you should constantly believe in yourself till the end and leave the result for the website. You shouldn't think about the result.
Exactly. And I believe that in every gate candidate or the person who is preparing for gate examination, every student is having that phase in life, pre-gate and post-gate. So since you have a good AIR, so now you must have felt some of the changes. So what are those changes? And those might motivate others to pursue their dreams for gate examination. Please tell us about that.
So your friends start to take you seriously, first of all.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Your teachers from college, they start to respect you even more. That is what changes. And I believe a sense of confidence builds inside you that yes, you can do something, which is the most important to succeed in life. If you crack an all India, which is as competitive as gate, if you crack a national exam like gate, that brings a sense of confidence in you. So these are the basic changes. uh, the best one would be that it brings a sense of confidence in you.
So if I ask Siddharth in particular, like person Siddharth. So Siddharth, what is your next move moving on from here? Like what are you eyeing on? Like is it PSUs or MTech? What is your what is your want in this?
Sir, I
Please
want to
tell
work in a
us.
PSU, to be very honest. I don't want
Okay.
to I'm not ready for my masters yet. I want to figure out what am I interested in, because there are a couple of specializations that various IITs offer. So uh, I'm not ready to decide the specialization. I don't want to be in a hurry. So I want to join the PSU and realize what I'm interested in when I join there. When I look at the various processes in the plant of various of the PSU. So after that, and a lot of thinking, a lot of consulting my seniors, etc., then I'll make a move and I'll pursue masters. But my current aim is to enter a PSU.
Yeah. So I would like to take a moment and I would like to address everybody, including you as well, Siddharth, that if you are facing any difficulties in these kind of things, please feel free to contact us. We are there to help you out. We are there to, help all the way through. So you just have to contact us and you have all our contact infos and everybody is willing to give their best for your future. So do that. We would love to hear from you as well. So in the end, I would like to ask you if you are comfortable, just two lines from your favorite song. That would be,
Okay,
good. Yeah.
I'll try. Um,
Yeah,
this is
please.
for all the aspirants who are watching this, and I want all of you to be remain motivated and believe in yourself constantly, because that is what matters. Okay. जाते नहीं कहीं रिश्ते पुराने, किसी नए के आ जाने से जाता हूँ मैं, तो मुझे तू जाने दे, क्यों परेशान है मेरे जाने से, टूटा है तो जुड़ा है क्यों, मेरी तरफ तू मुड़ा है क्यों, हक नहीं तू ये कहे कि यार अब हम ना रहे, एक तेरी यारी का ही सातों जन्म हकदार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं, तेरा यार हूँ मैं. Thank you, sir.
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
And let me
Thank
tell
you.
you, I don't know if you can see this or not, but
I
I
can
had
I can see
goosebumps.
this. I can see.
It's amazing. Yeah, amazing voice you have, and amazing, performance you did, and above all, you had an amazing run for gate examination. And I'm again congratulating you. Congratulations are in the order, and they will never, never, never stop. Just, I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors, and I believe that
Thank you,
you
sir.
will do something great in your life. Greatness is awaiting you. Keep following your dreams. And
Thank
to
you, sir.
everybody who is watching, nothing is impossible if you believe in yourself. That's the story of Siddharth, which tells us.
Yes.
So, thank you so very much, Siddharth. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you, sir.